The reason that we want to ask this, and you can just ask an open-ended question: how are you with technology? And you can let them, give you their opinion. Also, not a bad idea to test their tech skills. And really, the reason that you want to do this is so because like we all have our own processes, right? We all have our own systems that we use, the way that we want things to be done. Like if you have a project management system that you use and all of your clients use it, but you're speaking to someone who is kind of, admitting to you that they're not going to be able to do that, that's something that you have to take into consideration, right? Like, are you going to work with a person? Yes or no? If you do work with a person, is it going to take more time? Do you need to charge them a little bit more for doing some of the things, a little more manually than you would with some of your other clients? Um, Shanita, we're talking about, testing your potential clients' tech skills. This is something that I've heard you do several times. You have any tips and tricks you want to share?
Okay. So, tech savviness, that's important to us. So, how are you with technology? And they'll usually, if they are bad, they will usually tell you they're bad up front. Or they could be bad, as in my bad, as in what is your level of bad? Are you bad because you aren't unwilling to try things? Or are you bad because you are willing to try things and they just don't always work out the way that you want? The person who is just not good at it, but they're open to it, they can be helped. But the person that is just anti-technology, if you're a virtual firm, they may not be a good fit for you. I have done workarounds for people. And this one lady was paying $400 a month. And it was so many workarounds we had to do for her. And I really liked her. Everybody on my team really, see, we get in trouble because we love every darn body. And it just costs too much to deal with her inability and unwillingness to deal with technology or her trust. We don't have anything on here about trust. We're gonna have to add a whole page for trust. But tech savviness, you can test their skills. So first of all, to get on our calendar, you have to book, you have to book using electronically through the booking page. And then once they book, we will send them an email now and tell them, it's a confirmation email, tell them what to expect. But I'm looking to see, are you going to respond to me? I'm looking to see, are you going to confirm your appointment? And depending on how that conversation goes, I may ask you to upload a tax return to the portal, to upload something. By far, the best person I saw do this is Jamie. I don't think Jamie is on here today, but I booked a call with Jamie, and Jamie is like, you book a call, you pay your fee on there. And Jamie's like, upload your ish, give it to me now, or I'm not talking to you. No, she didn't say it like that, but I felt it. I know Jamie personally, so I know she meant it like that. But she has it very nicely designed. So if I was a person that wasn't tech savvy enough to follow all the rules that she had me do, she may have decided to exclude me, give me my money back, and say no, because this is how we work. And we have the ability to do the same thing. So I test them. I may have them upload something. If they book a paid consultation, I invite them to the portal. I have them sign it, and I ask for that EIN letter. That's where our EIN letter, state formation paperwork. I even ask for it for nonprofits, even though I can go pull it myself, because I want to see, are you responsive? Will you use tech? Do you need help? When I tell them that we're having a meeting on Zoom, I ask them, do you do Zoom often? Have you done Zoom before? Do you ever share your screen on Zoom? And then I'll say, are you a texter? What kind of phone do you use? Are you Team Droid or are you an Apple user? I ask them because, well, now Apple wants to FaceTime us and they had that capability. But before, there were clients that had Apple that thought I was going, well, I don't want to FaceTime them anyway. But there were people that wanted to communicate that way. So asking them these type of questions will let you know how you're going to be able to work with them